in this video we will talk about how to record the payments that you receive from your clients. In the main menu, click on record payment, and after you click on record payment, what you need to do is you basically need to fill up the form. So again, the important ones are shown in red, so make sure that these details are updated. So the name of the client, so let's say client 1 paid us and it was an account payee transfer, and the amount that the client 1 paid us was 10,000, and the date when the 10,000 was paid was on the say for example it was done in the month of March. 10th of March was the payment. Now if you want to put in some comments, go ahead and put in comments, but again right now let me just go ahead and put in some comments. Comment 1. Once you have filled in the information that you want to, click plus. Once the record is added, you click on OK and you will see the details that you have added. So the client is client 1, then amount is 10,000, it is an account pay transfer, and it is the comments that we put in, and the amount, date, the date when it was paid was on 10th of March. Let us go ahead and add a few more entries. Now this time client 2 paid us some amount. This time again the amount, let it be as or maybe we can just go ahead and select cash. The amount that client 2 paid us was say 50,000, and the date when the payment was done was maybe in the month of January earlier this year. So say the payment was done on 30th of January. So we select 30th of January, and if you want to go ahead and add comments, add it, but now for now I will just keep it as blank and go ahead and click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, the information gets added and you will see a message which says payment record added. Similarly, now let me go ahead and add one more entry. This is just a dummy entry again that I'm making. Client 3, amount that client 3 paid us say is 45,000. The amount or the date when the payment was done was, okay, we were in the month of September. Let's select 15th of September. So 15th of September. Add comment if you want to. For now I'm just keeping it blank and click on the plus sign. Once the record is added, you will see a message which says payment record added. Click on OK, and then you click on the home button and we are back to the home. So that is how, friends, you go ahead and add new payment record. In the next video we will go ahead and see how you can add expenses and keep a track of this.